Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today I am learning A for apple, B for balloon, C for cartoon, D for Doraemon. This is our colors. A for apple. B for balloon. C for cartoon. D for Doraemon. E for eagle. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mushroom. N for nest. O for onion. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.